Hey guys, this is CoBuystedt over at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. I'm here to show you the 360 IBL Chaparral made by Coachmen. This is a 2022 model, so it's really awesome. I'll show you why. First of all, here's your through storage bay. Always got to show how much room is in the front. Making our way up into here. You can see it's a middle bunk model. So you got two beds inside right there. Underneath this mattress below where you can kind of see it's lifted, that's actually the ladder that's stored underneath the mattress. That ladder will help you get to the top bed. And it does have some cabinetry up around in the corner inside there as well. When you come on into here, you get your classic rear living floor plan. I love the color palette that they do on the Chaparrals. Being that it's like they used dark, but it doesn't feel dark at all in here. This wood is like not black. They just used really dark accents everywhere. The hinges, the trim piece right here. Even like over here, it meets up to a darker right here. The furniture is dark, so you get that warm, homey feeling without it being suffering because it's not bright. The middle, you have this island. It does have some cabinetry on the inside with drawers that pull out. You get 3 of them. The bottom one is just a little bit bigger than the top ones. That's awesome. You also have bar stools right here. They're tied up right now because transport. But that's the way you can sit down and have an awesome place to hang out. You do have this pantry set up. Very spacious. You can fit everything in there. Here's your microwave. Everything about this so far has been super spacious and roomy. You get your 3-burner cooktop. Let's see. 3 burners. I just want to double check. Here's a refrigerator and your freezer. Trim piece. Here's your countertop right here. This is where your sink goes. It's a full-size sink. It's not the split. Undermounted stainless steel. Of course, this comes out and does the spray thing. I love having it over here. That's just maximizing your counter space a ton. It makes most sense to me. Here you got some cabinetry right here. They do light up behind that. That's very cool. And inside you have bigger ones. This fits plates, regular size plates that are probably in your house. So it's not too shallow. Making your way in, that is a sleeper sofa. And then these love seat chairs right here, they do heat up. Here's the controls. They heat up, they light up, and they massage. So it's touch screen. When you touch this, that turns red. When you touch it again, it turns even brighter red. Touch it one more time, and it turns even brighter red. And then one more touch will turn it off. So it just cycles through 3 settings of intensity for all of those. This is your table and chairs setup. Does extend up if you need it to. I do like the chairs have been updated this year. They're a little bit different, a little more stylistic. A little bit safer than last year's were. Last year's weren't dangerous, but this one, just the way that it looks and everything, seems to be more sturdy to me when I'm playing around with it. Now coming up, you'll notice this window right here on your side. That's going to help you with the feeling of openness when you're coming into a tight hallway. I think it does a very good job at not making me feel like I'm in a tight hallway. Now over here is your control panel area. And this is your one-touch control system. You can operate things like slides, lighting, auto leveling system on the inside of the rig. That's going to be super helpful for you. We'll show the bathroom here. So right there you got your toilet. That is porcelain. Then you got the super spacious shower. I don't know why I couldn't figure out that word. There is a little cabinet over there beside the shower and coat hangers above the toilet. This is plenty room for you to sit on that toilet and use it, and it's not going to be too tight for your arm space or anything like that. They switched to doing this little trick this year. That's new to them. I love that. It is soft close if you didn't catch that. That's awesome. You get your 4 dressers. These are very deep. I don't run into this very often. RVs, they tend to just a bunch, make them super shallow. So 4 of those. Sliding door right here. Just makes it better. You're not inconvenience anyone's space by swinging doors and stuff. Your own AC in your bedroom. It also is ducted, so you can kind of customize how you want to point it around. Get the air just right. Here's your full mirror door. Both sides, full mirror. Well, when you put a mirror on the wall, it kind of maximizes your space, doesn't it? Feels double. So that being said, you don't feel claustrophobic in here. That is a very roomy bed. You do have a slide out your mattress goes out with, so it gives you all this walking space. Feels roomy in here. Your closet, you're going to have this rod, so you can hang up all your stuff all the way down. All this floor space for way too many shoes. I sense a lot of wives are probably going to say there's no such thing. And then washer and dryer hookups. If you're going to set that up, you can do side by side. It's got a vent location. We can do that stuff at the shop. And yeah, that's your closet. That's your bedroom. There's an escape right here if you want to jump to your doom out the top floor. And then see if there's anything else that I'm missing. Oh, I didn't even notice this. It's got a really big drawer down below the oven. I hadn't realized that. So anyways, this is the Chaparral. My name is CoBuystedt. If you have any questions on this rig at all, you can just give me a call and I'll just answer your question, be super helpful as much as I can. 541-735-1535. Thank you.